Introducing CPREzy, the world's first complete CPR Assistance Kit, designed to help anyone perform more effective cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, when tragedy strikes. The following presentation has been designed to demonstrate how to use CPREzy in a medical emergency. Naturally, CPREzy should be used in conjunction with approved adult CPR guidelines. And the manufacturer strongly recommends purchasers undertake a CPR training or refresher course from their local accredited organisation. The CPREzy kit includes a face mask, chest compression pad, 4 latex-free disposable gloves, an instruction leaflet, wall mounting screws, and the 9-volt battery to power the chest pad. Please read the CPREzy instructions thoroughly to fully understand how to use the product. Further comprehensive information is also available at the manufacturer's website, www.cprezy.com, if required. In a medical emergency, such as a heart attack, accidental electrocution, seizures, poisoning, or near drowning, the first step is to ensure the safety of both the rescuer and victim. Follow this by checking the victim for responsiveness. Gently shake their shoulders and ask loudly, "Are you all right?" If the victim does not respond, call out for assistance. Next, remove any visible obstruction from the victim's mouth. Then open the airway by tilting the forehead back with one hand while supporting the jaw with the other hand. Look, listen, and feel for breathing. If the victim is not breathing normally, call the emergency services and start chest compressions immediately. Position the chest pad in the middle of the patient's chest, as shown on the diagram, making sure that the indicator panel points to the head of the victim. When the chest pad is in position, switch the unit on. A tone representing 100 beats per minute will be heard. With arms straight and fingers interlaced, lean directly over the victim and apply 30 chest compressions in time with the tone. Each compression should have sufficient force to illuminate the pressure-sensitive light on the indicator panel, which corresponds to the victim's size. For example, the training mannequin shown here is the equivalent to an average-sized adult. Therefore, apply sufficient force with each compression to illuminate 3 lights on the chest pad. After 30 compressions have been applied, perform 2 breaths. The CPREzy mask is easily and quickly assembled by simply inserting the mouthpiece into the opening in the mask, then fit the mask over the victim's nose and mouth, ensuring the mouth tube is positioned between the victim's teeth. Using the thumbs of each hand, apply firm pressure to each end of the mask to ensure a firm seal is created on the face. With the mask in position, perform 2 breaths. Blow positively into the mask until the victim's chest rises. Each breath should take 2 seconds. 1 second to breathe into the victim's mouth, and then allow 1 second for the air to be exhaled. Continue to administer 30 chest compressions, followed by 2 breaths until the victim shows signs of life. Qualified help arrives, or you become exhausted. Important points on the use of the CPREzy chest pad. When positioning your hands on the chest pad for compression, it's important to ensure that the thumb of your lower hand does not obscure the indicator panel. Avoid your hand crossing over the divide between the moving and static parts of the CPREzy. Ideally, the thumb should point to the end of the chest pad, as shown. Optimal CPR chest compression requires the rescuer to position their shoulders directly over the chest pad. Compressing on an angle, as shown, will make compressions more strenuous and will therefore lead to quicker rescuer fatigue. Rescuers can perfect their use of the CPREzy chest pad by simply spending a few minutes practicing with the device on a firm, flat surface, such as a low table or the floor. An important aspect of effective CPR is the full release of pressure between chest compressions. This allows the heart to relax and fill for the next compression. To ensure that full release is occurring between compressions, make sure all LED lights on the indicator panel are out before you make the next compression. As well as having a unique design that blocks the victim's nose, the CPREzy mask can be used by the rescuer from the side of the victim, or from behind the victim's head if preferred. CPREzy can also be used by two rescuers, as shown. The CPREzy mask can easily be reused by cleaning it with a disinfectant or bleach solution and rinsing thoroughly. This concludes the instruction and training for CPREzy. For further information regarding CPR, please consult your local accredited CPR training organisation. Remember, effective CPR can more than double the victim's chance of survival. CPREzy is the world's leading CPR assistance kit, designed to help anyone perform more effective CPR under emergency conditions. So now, when it's a matter of life, there's CPREzy.